Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Thursday, March 29th, and not a pretty looking forecast. Showers today, they'll end from northwest to southeast, amounts about a tenth to maybe 2/10. Some places across far southeast lower Michigan could see around a third of an inch, but again, this will be a much lighter precipitation event than the one we had a couple of days ago. And then for Saturday, it looks just flat out ugly, rain, snow, windy, highs in the mid to upper 30s. And the cold's not going anywhere anytime soon. Easter Sunday looks like highs may not even get above freezing in some areas. So the big picture out of this, March is going to go out like a lion, and I apologize to Vicky. The big Easter egg hunt here in Breckenridge on Saturday sure looks miserable right now. And if we look at the wrap for yesterday, we had a high of 47, a low of 36. Our normal highs are up near 50 degrees now with the normal lows close to 30. And we're going to be nowhere near that here the next couple of weeks overall. We'll get a couple of warm spikes for a day or so, and then we drop back down into the deep freeze. Again, 43 inches of snow so far for the season. And if we look at temperatures out there this morning, not too bad though, upper 30s to low 40s, so pretty mild out there. And again, we'll see a decent day today with mid to upper 40s, maybe even a 50 here or there before temperatures cool off in the afternoon behind that front. And you can see the precipitation falling this morning. Some of this earlier not reaching the ground, but now it is. And definitely got some rain hitting the ground across southwest, south central, and southeast lower Michigan. As far as the next 8 days, you can see lots of snowfall potential, especially across the UP and Wisconsin up into Ontario. So if you like to snowmobile and do some winter outdoor sports, lots of snow going on for the next couple of weeks up there. And again, for here, we have to watch each individual system and its track and everything, but we could have accumulating snows anywhere really here in the Great Lakes with these kind of temperatures that we expect. Again, we'll have to watch each individual storm as they move through. And as far as the 6 to 10 and 8 to 14 day outlooks, again, colder than normal and near to above normal precipitation, so we can't rule out getting rid of the snow anytime soon. There'll be some opportunities, no doubt, as we get into the month of April. And at the MAC and LAC Outlook conferences this winter, that was one of the big stories we talked about, was the potential for a very cold and stormy spring that may hang on. The big question, when will it break? Will it be the second half of April before the weather really begins to turn around, or will we get pushed into May? Right now, the overall pattern suggests at least through the middle of April, it's going to be pretty nasty out there as far as temperatures. As far as the forecast goes, you can see today could be up to 51 in southeast lower Michigan, mainly 40s though, with those showers that'll end later on today. And right now, Saturday looks like a horrible day. We're going to have winds gusting to 30 to 40 miles per hour with steady light rain, maybe some wet snow. Temperatures in the low 40s will probably fall during the afternoon, down into the low 30s at night. And again, we could see even some white on some of the grassy areas as we get into Saturday morning. So certainly could be interesting day for sure. And again, we'll improve a little bit for Sunday as far as precipitation. We'll see plenty of sunshine, but cold highs only in the 30s. We'll warm up a little bit early next week, and then we'll cool right back down as we get to the middle of the week. And again, chance of rain and some snow showers here and the extended outlook. So again, a pretty ugly looking weather forecast. As far as weather watch out there, you can see winter storm watches for portions of Minnesota into Wisconsin. Again, those will probably spread into the UP, maybe even northern lower Michigan. Fog advisories off to the south and to the southeast. And again, flood watches across portions of Kentucky into the Virginias. So pretty nasty weather forecast coming up over the next 7 days. Thanks for stopping by and have yourself a great day, and 73s to all.